Is your dishwasher not draining? Here are 3 reasons why you might have standing water in your dishwasher. So we've done another video on this where we describe it, but everyone's asking for visuals. Don't blame you, this gets confusing. So my dad Jim, who's 71 years old, crawled underneath the sink to show you what to look for to make sure your dishwasher drain is installed correctly. So let's jump underneath.
The dishwasher my dishwasher is next to my kitchen sink. Now, you ask about why do you have water standing in the dishwasher? Okay, probably one thing you look for is the hose. This is a dishwasher hose, okay? Mine is high, but you could maybe have one that comes out of the garbage disposal and just drops into the corner and goes into the cavity where the dishwasher is. Now, when you put water in the garbage disposal, that water could run back to the dishwasher. Another thing is you have an air gap, okay? I don't have an air gap. I'll show you because I do mine differently, okay? The water could maybe be, the hoses going to the air gap could be clogged. Okay, like the one that comes out that goes to the garbage disposal, they can get old, they can get clogged, and they can stink. You'll smell them, so doesn't hurt to change that. Another thing is they might put a check valve right here, what we call a swing check. Might be that it froze up and it's locked in the open position. Okay, then that's got to be changed. I would take it out and I'd repipe this hose. If the drain that's coming in real low there, I'd run it up high. Okay, get it up into the sink cavity that's up above, you know, at least maybe 3 or 4 inches, 5 inches up, then come back down in here, just like how that's looking. Okay, you don't see mine because I brought it in the top of the dishwasher. That's one way to fix that. Another way to do it, if you wanted to eliminate the air gap, then you still got to fix this hose so the water can't run in. But just think of the water. The hose is high enough, the water can't run back into the dishwasher. The hose goes low, the water's going to run back into the dishwasher from the sink. So, and another thing is maybe you do have a bad dishwasher. Maybe there's something wrong with the inside the dishwasher. But it's things to check out. Okay, I hope you like that answer. If not, like I say, always ask the gardener.